Hi, my name is Herman Vizcarrondo, and I am the Global Technical Service Manager for Jet-Lube. In this video, I'll be talking about thread compounds, specifically reviewing what they do, the different types, proper application, makeup torque, and friction factors. API RP583 outlines requirements and methods for thread compounds. Thread compounds functions. What do thread compounds do? Seal, compress solids and components during connection, make up to seal and minimize metal-to-metal contact. Lubricate, ensure optimal thread lubrication. Protect, prevent galling, pitting, corrosion, and rust. Control make break, limits rotation during joint connections, reduces strength, and enables pipe joints breakups. Thread components. Grease base thickness structure grease by acting as a sponge for base oil and additive. 10% soap base thickness and 90% oil lubricants fluids. Contains water and chemical resistance inhibitors. Base oil provide lubrication and reduce the coefficient of friction. Liquid additive create chemical reactions in the lubricant or on the metal surface. Improve adherence to surface, extreme pressure AP resistance, anti-wear, antioxidants, and corrosion inhibitors. Solids deform and compress to prevent metal-to-metal contact and create the seal. Heavy minerals, lead, zinc, copper, non-metallic such as graphite, talc, PTFE, and others. Proper application of thread compounds. The proper application of thread compounds ensures effective performance. Steer thoroughly to reblend any oil bleed or settling of solids. Ensure the contact surface is clean, dry, and free of contaminants. Select the correct compound. Avoid using drilling compound on casing and tubing connections unless using a hybrid compound. Apply a uniform coat over the entire thread and shoulder surface of pin and box. Do not apply a gob of compound expecting to distribute evenly. Use proper dope brush for shoulder connections and mustache brush for casing and tubing connections. Don't allow contamination. Never mix in diesel, fuel, oil, kerosene, etc. Torque and makeup. Thread compounds regulate the makeup process in three ways. Coefficient of friction, the formation of compound components, enhance hardening of solids particles. Makeup torque MUT of joints to 100% of the manufacturer's specified torque based on pipe joint size and strength. Applied torque should be 50 to 60% of the torsional yield strength. Sufficient MUT exceeds the drilling torque but less than the torsional strength. Improper torque levels can cause thread damage, uncontrolled downhole makeup, and difficult breakout, leading to washout, galling, or split box. Friction factor. Friction factor, distinct from coefficient of friction, adjusts the makeup MUT to correct for frictional property differences on the thread compound. Makeup torque is corrected by multiplying torque values by the compound friction factor. Sample: NCS 50 tool joints 5.5 OD by 3.25 ID. Makeup torque is 21,914 foot per pound. Thread compound friction factor is 0.9. Correct makeup torque multiplied torque by friction factor 21,914 foot per pound times 0.9 is equal to 19,723 foot per pound. use same equation for different friction factors. To learn about Jet-Lube's thread compounds, visit jetlube.com.